Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to hear about Spectrum's fiber-based communication solutions and how they can help meet your business profitability and growth goals for you and your needs. Today, I'd like to talk about the current network needs. I haven't had a chance to talk with your IT. Currently, you have 10 locations. Your headquarters currently has fiber internet from Spectrum, so you are aware of the availability and the of the network operations center 24 by 7, where when you call, you're talking to an engineer, as well as our service level agreements. Your current configuration is an MPLS between your 10 locations. The headquarters and 2 other locations are served by fiber. The other 7 are served with copper-based T1s. The internet is all centralized at the headquarters, which is pretty common. There for your phone, some locations are using PRI and some are on POTS or analog lines, and you have DirecTV at all the branches. And some of those are for customer facing, and some of those are for employee facing, which we have solutions for. They said they were interested in a Metro Ethernet solution and the SIP, and they want to learn more about cloud-based services such as Office 365 and disaster recovery options. Today, the business stakes are very high. Expectations have changed for both clients, employees, and the business leaders. Business leaders expect their IT to help achieve their business objectives. Employees need to be productive. They expect to communicate and collaborate anywhere at any time, whether they're using personal devices or off time away from the office. And the clients expect fast and reliable experiences across every touch point. That's gone are the days of brand loyalty. They will switch in a heartbeat. Here's some stats. I'm sure you've seen a lot of these before. How much data one major retailer collects 20 million worth of filing cabinets of data per hour. And then this is an interesting one. 83% of all data will pass through the cloud and be managed by cloud service providers by 2020. And then we all know about the smart devices and connected devices that employees have, and how much of the 90% they say as of companies will allow bring your own device by 2020. But I think this is the most interesting one and the most important is lost productivity per employee due to poor internet speed. I know the cost of that can be exponential if it affects the whole company or even parts of it. Who are we? Spectrum Enterprise is a part of Charter Communications. We are a Fortune 100 company. We've recently merged with Time Warner as well as Bright House Solutions, making us a Fortune 100 company. And we provide network and cloud and IT infrastructure solutions, as well as managed services to clients nationwide from small business all the way up to enterprise level companies. Our network, unlike some, is wholly owned by us. We run all of our own fiber end to end. We don't use interim POPs. We go directly from your location directly to our head end. We have a very powerful foundation for our mission critical data and our cloud-based applications. Our dedicated high performance network is scalable, so we can start at 10 megabits per second and go clear up to 10 gigabits. We are full service with one price, and we'll come clear up to where you need it in the building and include our own equipment that we monitor 24 by 7. Our SLAs are very stringent, and we, as I said, proactively monitor everything. Here's some of the things that we offer. Fiber internet that we're going to talk about today. Fiber internet access, of course, which you have. Our network solutions, whether it be point to point, well, they change the names a lot. So if I say something that doesn't ring a bell, just call me on it, because last year it was mesh, then it was MPLS, and now it's EP LAN. So since they change things all the time, not everybody knows everything and can't keep up with it. Our voice solutions, we have a SIP and PRI, and are actually rolling out some hosted solutions here in October. For our TV solutions, we do anywhere from hospitals to just like the public facing TV in the lobby, hotels, you name it. We also have our managed multi-cloud solutions, includes our data recovery, our disaster recovery, and managed applications such as Office 365. Our network is fast, scalable, like I was saying, in from 10 megabits per second up to 10 gigs, and includes a managed WAN solution. If you see on the right, we have number three, third largest carrier at this time in the United States. We're also CE 2.0 MEF certified, and I believe it's over 650 MEF certified professionals in our organization, which is the standard for wide area networks. The high bandwidth solutions for data intensive voice and video transfer. So we use a lit layer 1 service that uses a dense wavelength division multiplexing technology. So we're ahead of the game as far as technology is concerned. It's not a shared, it's dedicated. It's also, we provide diverse routing options, which I'll talk about a little later. It is also very secure and scalable, a cost-effective way to converge network services, including WAN and, of course, the internet access with 10 megabits to 10 gigabit circuits available. For the availability, diverse routes are very important, especially to a business who can't be down. I was talking to one company, just a single location company, probably around 150 employees, and they estimated that if they were down one day, it would be $60,000 a day. So that diversity really does make a difference, especially nowadays. Also, our enterprise trunking is our phone service. It supports both the traditional IP-based, which is the PRI, and then the voice over IP, which is the SIP-based PBXs. It's very reliable and scalable. A lot of people think that it goes out, the SIP, the voice over IP goes out to the internet, and in actuality, it stays right on our network until it reaches the LEC, or the phone, the actual phone company transfers right to them. Our video solutions, I mentioned a little bit earlier. We have anywhere, we've done hospitality, government, education. We do it for large organizations, multiple gyms, even the equipment that you see on all the devices. Now you have TVs on every Stairmaster, and they are very flexible. We can do it for lobbies, waiting rooms, guest patient rooms, bars, restaurants. Here's some of our awards and partnerships. We have over 600 IT certifications. 8 state-of-the-art data centers, and we partner with Cisco, VMware, Microsoft, also HIPAA certified, FISMA, and FERPA. We are committed to an exceptional experience. We like to say we have one number to call, one bill, one neck to choke, so to speak. We have our client services teams. You get an account manager with us who you can call anytime, as well as an engineer dedicated to you. And also we have local construction teams. There is an online portal for visibility and control. Our NOC, our Network Operations Center, also has proactive monitoring and technical support. I'm sure you've had experience with that. They will notify you a lot of times ahead of time if something's going on in your network. And then if you have any problems at all, you're actually talking to an engineer when you call. And of course, we have our stringent SLAs, which are 99.99% uptime with a guaranteed time to restore within 4 hours. So together, I think we can make it happen. We would like to have your business objectives be our priority, your growth and profitability, changing some of the core constraints and challenges that you have, and letting our technology remove those barriers and open the opportunities. Thank you very much for your time today. I've actually had a chance to go through all of your specifics for your network, and should be able to have you that by Wednesday next week. Would that be a good time to meet? Excellent. 10 o'clock sounds good. Thank you very much.